Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today I'm going to tell you about a few ways you can monetize your blog. Most blogs start with one person who is passionate or knowledgeable about a topic and wants to write about it. But as the blog grows and starts to generate a lot of traffic, you may start thinking, it would be really nice to make a bit of money from this. And that's fair enough. Blogging is seen by a lot of people as a hobby, but it can be hard work, and why not be compensated for that? Here are some ways to accomplish that. First, book and product reviews. To be fair, you generally do not get compensated with money for those posts, but you do get the books or products. Over the years, I've received a GPS locator watch, a TENS machine for pain relief, a humidifier, and a variety of tech products. A lot of them were things I wanted to buy anyway, and that was money I didn't have to spend. Second, sponsored posts. This is where a company pays you a sum of money just for including a link to their website in a blog post. You can make the blog post about anything you like as long as you work the link into it somehow. I've done a few of these and it's really easy money. Third, affiliate marketing. The idea is that you advertise a company or product on your blog site and earn a commission whenever someone clicks onto that company from your website and makes a purchase. Many organizations have affiliate programs. One of the most notable is Amazon. For affiliate marketing to work, it's best to target companies that are somehow relevant to the subject you blog about. Fourth, sell products or services. You may be able to sell some kind of merch on your blog, t-shirts, books, coffee mugs, or you can use the blog to offer your expertise to potential clients. And finally, you can set up membership-based benefits where subscribers pay a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive members-only content. You can do this through something like Patreon. There are other ways of making money from your blog, but these ones are easy to do and easy to get started with. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.